Assalamualaikum and good day. The topic for today's presentation is sustainability for sport bicycle. My groupmate name is NUREZRAH, AMIRAH, ATIRAH, CHOY, LIM and ATIQAH. Me, NUREZRAH, AMIRAH will starting the presentation with introduction. The world is now seeking green product design, production and technology to preserve the world from destruction. It is critical to integrate ecological criteria into design practice by balancing a variety of variables, including the environmental aspect. So, life cycle thinking, eco-web and eco-indicator are the method that we use in this project. For the background, as we know, bikes are provide a greener way of transportation due to the rate which pollution is increasing worldwide. Without using the harmful substance like gasoline and diesel, it is not leave the carbon footprint. Otherwise, sustainable production aims to ensure that the things are produced in conserve resources and protects environment. Next, for the objective is, firstly, we need to conduct a comparative life cycle assessment of a manufactured good. Secondly, to consider and apply the life cycle assessment in the particular product which is sport bicycle. Lastly, to reduce the environmental impact and identify sustainable initiatives. For the scope, the sport bicycles are designed to be more eco-friendly and durable. Therefore, the materials and processes used to manufacture them should be appropriate, durable, and environmental friendly.
Hi, I'm now ATIRAH BINTI AZWAN. This methodology section will describe how sport bicycles are invented, more proper methods used in order to maintain the sustainability. BMFG is one of the examples of the design approach that focuses to ease of manufacture and efficiency of assembly. Material selection strategies can be done by steps of translating, screening, ranking as shown. It helps to choose the best material for every particular design of the sport bicycle to manufacture. Besides of that, life cycle assessment is used to quantify total sustainability impacts of sport bicycle on environment, from raw material until disposal, as shown in this slide. As for eco-web design, it considers environmental aspects at all stages of sport bicycle development process and try to make lowest possible bad impact throughout of product life cycle. The next method is eco-indicator of material or process, thus a number that indicates the environmental impact of material or process based on data from life cycle assessment, known as LCA.
Hi everyone, my name is Choi Hong. Today I will present about life cycle assessment of bicycle. In this picture, we can see that this is the picture of old evolution of bicycle. Actually, the LCA of old evolution bicycle and new evolution bicycle is same. Only the parts will be different because the parts of old evolution is less than the new evolution bicycle. In this both life cycle, the material to produce bicycle are divided into three types. That is rubber, polymer, and metal. In the old evolution bicycle, the parts that are produced by rubber material are the same with the new evolution bicycle, that is tire. Moreover, the parts of the bicycle that is fabricated by polymer material is the saddle. Finally, the parts that use metal material to manufacture are brake, fork, pedal, crank arm, chain ring, chain, rear cogs, spoke, rim, brake cable, frame, bicycle belt, and backseat. Next, for this picture, we can see that this is the picture of LCA new evolution bicycle. For the rubber material, only one part in the bicycle was produced by this material, that is tire. Besides that, the parts such as handle plug, rear derailleur, brake cable, and saddle are made from the polymer material. Lastly, the materials such as aluminum, steel, titanium, alloy, and others that are involved in the metal family materials are mostly used to fabricate the parts of the bicycle. The parts of the bicycle that produced using metal materials are stand, brake, shift lever, brake, fork, pedal, crank arm, chain ring, chain, rear derailleur, rear cogs, spoke, rims, brake cable, frames, top bar, and headset. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm XIANG. I will continue to talk about the eco-design web. First and foremost, eco-design web is a beneficial tool to help students study and evaluate their product design in various parts and components of the product. For our chosen topic, which is sport bicycle, there are two eco-design web that has been identified and proposed, which is eco-design web for the new evolution of the sport bicycle and the old evolution of the sport bicycle. For the new evolution, the material selection of this evolution is improved as the improvement of the technology and type of the material selections. The distribution is in very good scale since the material used is cheap and be obtained easily. This bicycle is not consuming any electrical either water energy to rotate. Next, this bicycle have a very good optimal life cycle because the structure of this bicycle is made from aluminum. This bicycle have a very good scale of end of life section due to most of the material is recyclable and reusable. Meanwhile, for the old evolution, the material selection of this evolution is limited, in which the synthetic rubber, polymer, and steel is being selected as the main material to produce the bicycle due to the lack of the material that can be selected at the old time. The distribution of this bicycle is in average. This bicycle is not consuming any electrical either water energy to rotate the bicycle. Furthermore, the bicycle have a good optimal life cycle due to the steel have the properties of high strength and good durability. And lastly, the end of life section is in average scale because most of the component is not reusable and recyclable.
Hi, my name is NURUL binti ZAKARIA. I will present about eco indicator. As you guys can see on my slide, the eco indicator contains three parts, which is production, use, and disposal process for road bicycle. The aspect that include in production process is the material, processing, transport, and extra energy. Transport energy and auxiliary material is the aspect that include in production process. Moreover, disposal process is calculated based on the material. The environmental impact assessment form show the calculation of eco indicator value by using material, treatment process, transport process, energy process, and disposal scenario as a phase. According to the form, each phase has an amount indicator and result. The amounts or the quantity material and process can be obtained from design specification by using the 3D printing drawing or website SolidWorks. Meanwhile, the eco indicator used is indicator 99 since it can update more value and have a much better significant base for the damaged model have a much greater reliability compared to indicator 95. The result is obtained by multiples both amounts and indicator recorded value. Based on the result calculation, the higher value is production phase due to the amount of material used. Although there is a slight impact, the greatest impact by far caused by processing material and development, the emphasis should not be on recycle.
In a nutshell, cycling brings the most benefit for human and environment. By implementing eco-design web and eco-indicator can improve the product to make it less harmful to the environment. Otherwise, the manufacturer should gain new knowledge or think some alternatives to lowering the negative impact and the pollution to the environment. Thank you for your attention.